Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today we are going to learn this Chinese character called mu. So let's learn how to write this radical. I'm writing from the left to the right, from the top to the bottom. And the rest is these two parts. Okay, so this radical is called mu and the meaning is wood. So today we are going to learn 3 Chinese characters related to this radical. The first one is called ling. And the second one is called gen. And third one is called chun. So let's write down the first one first. So we got a radical here. And the component mu. Combine them together, it became this thing. So you can imagine 2 words make a forest. So let's make sense. So this thing, let's write down the pronunciation. Ling is second tone, so we write down 2. And the meaning is forest. So we got phrases. 森林. Forest as well. And then the second Chinese character we call gen. And let's write down the radical first. And then the component. And then the Chinese character we call gen. And the pronunciation. So this is first tone. So we write down number 1. Gen. So the meaning is root. And then we can say 根本. 根本 means basic. So the third Chinese character is called chun. And let's write down the radical first. Radical. And a component. And then we got Chinese character. This one we call chun. And let's write down the Chinese pronunciation. Chun. And this is first tone. We write down number 1. Chun. And his meaning is village. Okay, so we got 村子. 村子 is village as well. Okay, so let's do the review. 森林根本村子. So let's write down 森林 first. And then we can write down 根本. And we have 村子. And let's make a sentence from these 3 Chinese words phrases. 这个. And then we can make 美丽. 这个美丽村子根本就在森林中. So the English is this. Beautiful village is basically in the forest. Okay, so the whole sentence. 这个美丽村子根本就在森林中。这个美丽村子根本就在森林中。你学会了吗？I hope you found this video helpful. 谢谢，再见。